So in this video, we're going to talk about margin accounts versus a cash account. Now, I took my first trade back in 2018 with all the hopes that I'm going to be a millionaire within the next 2 or 3 days, right? So reality checked in fairly quickly. I had to face that when I was told I couldn't take any more day trades because I was under the PDT rule, pattern day trader rule. Now this means if you don't have $25,000 or more in your trading account, you're only allowed 3 day trades within the 5 day time period. Now let's be honest. How many of us do have $25,000 sitting around to be used at our own expense? I know I sure didn't have it. So how do you avoid the PDT rule? By using the cash account. So in this video, I'm going to explain to you what a cash account is, what a margin account is, and what are the pros and cons between the two. So let's start with a cash account. Now let's use this example. So you have a portfolio with $500 in it. Today you bought $100 worth of charge point, CHPT, and you closed that position with a 30% ROI, return on investment. So meaning you made $30 with that $100. Now after you lock in profits and close that position, the $100 you just used to take that trade can no longer be used for the rest of the day. So you only have $400 to use for the remainder of the day. Now the next day, the account resets to $530 of available cash for you to trade with, as it takes 1 day to settle. So just to simplify everything, you have $500 in your account, you use $100, you made $30 with that $100, you have a remainder of $400. You can continue using that $400 for the remainder of the day, but the $100 that you used previously to make that $30 cannot be used for the remainder of that day. So the next day when you come in, the $400 that you have, plus the $100 that you use, plus the $30 that you gained, all resets, and now you have $530 in your trading account that can be used the next day. Now, regarding the margin account, we're going to use the same exact scenario. If you take the same exact trade, that $100 will instantly go back into your account, and you can use the full $530 to continue trading for the rest of the day. Although that sounds good, this is where PDT rule kicks in, because you have less than 25,000 in your trading account. You're only limited to 3 trades in a 5 day period. Now, for example, let's say in 4 days you've taken 3 trades. You have no more day trades left. You have less than 25,000 in your account, and you see a beautiful setup that just happened on Netflix. You decide, you know what, I'm just going to take the trade. Knowing you don't have any day trades left, what happens then? Well, your trading account will be restricted or locked for 90 days. And the trade that you just entered with Netflix, you can't sell until the 90 days is up. So the stock could go bottom or squeeze up to the upside. Nobody knows, especially in 90 days. Anything can happen within 90 days. So if you decide to use the margin, please be very mindful of the PDT rule so you don't lock your account. With the cash account, no PDT rule, but you do have to wait for funds to settle every single day. And that is the difference between a margin account and a cash account.